Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's been a lot of questions over how to do a sport test. So today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do it. I've got the lovely assistant Eden here. She's going to be our model for the day. So what we have here, what you have before you are the items that's going to be needed for the sport test. So the first thing you'll need is you're going to need a marking pen. You're going to need the BI, which is actually how we do the sport test itself. You're going to need a Class 5 integrator. You're going to need a bag to actually put the test inside of, and then you're also going to need this guy. This is the incubator. Okay, so next, this is going to be the procedure on how to do this. Eden's going to show us the process here. So the first thing she's going to do is she's going to take her nice pen, and on the first one, she's going to grab it, and she's going to put the date on there that we're doing the test, and then she's going to put her initials. And then she's going to place it in the bag, along with the Class 5 integrator, and then we're going to close that bag, and this is going to be autoclaved. Now the other one that's here, what we want to do, which we've already done, is we want to make sure the lot number is the exact same thing. This is what we call the control. So what we're going to do on this one, we're going to date it also, and we're going to put our initials on it as well. What this will be used for is after we run this guy through the autoclave, we're going to use this as a control, and I'll show you how that goes in just a moment. Okay, so next what we have here, we've autoclaved this one here, and this one is going to be, again, our control. So this one has not been autoclaved. So the next thing that Eden's going to do, she's going to grab the one that has been autoclaved, and she's going to squeeze it in the middle, kind of breaking it, and then shake it up, and then we're going to put it in the number 1. And then we're going to grab the one that's the control that has not been autoclaved. We're going to squeeze it also. We're going to break it, and then we're going to put it in also. So the next part that we're going to do is we're going to actually plug in your incubator, and it's going to incubate for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we'll take them out. We'll take them out again, and what we're going to do is this is the one that's been autoclaved, and this is the one that was the control. Now what you want to look for here is that should change colors. The one that was autoclaved, it should still be purple. The one that's a control should actually turn a green or yellowish color. This lets us know that it actually it did work. It did show that it actually is negative for any kind of spores. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our logbook, and what you would do here is you put in the date of the test, you put in the incubation date and the date out, and then here for the test itself, again it came back negative. What you want to do is you want to circle the negative sign. Now the control, it shows it came back positive, again because it changed colors. So you would circle there the positive sign and then just put your initial. That completes our sport test. Eden, we thank you very much for being our Vanna White of the day. And y'all have a good day. If you have any questions, you can call Eden. Bye. No.